Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have an MV plugin by Kurambon that adds a timer for speedrunning the game. It's been officially announced that MV will not be supported on the latest macOS, as making it compatible will break plugins, and the development team has moved on to improving MZ. A downloadable project for MZ with 118 sample maps by Napapa Studio. A collection of 78 dungeon-related backgrounds by Cool Plant and Gotcha Gotcha Games. Sunny and Strata Tilesets by Ivan Voiro. And lastly, Krachware Cyberpunk Tilesets by Soft and Dejika. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.
Тропинкою ляжет путь вселенной, во что сияет.